Hey you guys, I'm here with a quick 10-minute workout today, only 3 exercises. We are gonna get right into it. Instead of having your gym boss timer today, we're just gonna do 15 reps of each of these exercises, and you're just gonna repeat those exercises until you get to 10 minutes. So just set a timer for 10, start it right before you start the workout, and just work until those 10 minutes are over. So we're gonna start with push-ups, and we're gonna do wide shoulder push-ups. You can do them on your knees or on your feet, so you can come all the way down and push up. Or you can start on your knees, kind of tuck your hips under, okay? And you'll do 15 of those, and then you're gonna go right into squats with a side kick. So, I usually like to put my hands here, whatever you wanna do. You're gonna get into a nice normal stance squat. You're gonna squat down and kick. Squat down and kick, and you're gonna do 15 each side. I'll show you from the side so you can see how I'm squatting. So a nice shoulder stance. You're gonna come down. You want your legs to be parallel if you can, and then kick up. Now if you can't go that low, that's completely fine. You can just do a mini one and kick, okay? So again, alternating ones on each side. 15 each, and then you'll go right into the rolling plank. So you're gonna come down on your elbows, stomach is pulled in, butt is in, tailbone is tucked under, and you're gonna push forward. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? You're gonna do that until you get to 15, and then you go right back into the push-ups. You're gonna do that for a total of 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes, 15 reps of all of those exercises until the timer goes off. And you've got your great 10-minute workout. It's gonna really strengthen your abs with the planks, your arms with the push-ups, and your legs with the squats. So it's a really great all over body workout. And remember, these plans and these workouts will help you burn fat, but don't forget about your diet. So I always recommend wholesome real food that's unprocessed. And if you want a full plan to help you lose fat, please check out my 72-hour flat belly detox below. It's absolutely free, and it has meal plans and 3 10-minute workouts in that whole detox plan, and the link is for you below. You can also subscribe below, or you can subscribe right here, and we'll see you guys next time.